Okay, we're going to wind a bobbin on the Pro 2000. We're going to use a 277 thread in the needle, therefore we're going to drop down one size to 207 thread. We're going to put the thread up here on the stand, go through the top, bring that thread across the top of the machine, through this tension, over to this guide, and across to the bobbin winder. Okay, now we got the thread put across here, through the disc, through the guide. We're going to take a bobbin here, and the first thing we're going to want to do is notice that there's a little hole right here. And that little hole, it's real important, is going to go on the pin on the bobbin winder. So we're going to put this bobbin winder in the shaft, make sure the pin is located in the hole. Alright, so we're going to put the thread through the hole on one of these bobbins, and we're going to align that other one on the pin. And we get that under. We're going to drop this lever down. Let's hold on to this, run the machine. We'll let that wind. Cut. Alright. We can just let this wind and then thread up the needle and be sewn. And when it's full, it'll shut itself off. So we're going to first go through the top guide. Through the first guide here. And this is the disc tension, so we just put it in between the discs. We're going to come down to what's called the rotary tension. And what we're going to do here is go through our guide, go through this first guide, and then we're going to go around 1, 2. It's called a rotary tension, a little different. And we're going to take that thread and come back through the hole that we went, like so. So we've wrapped around here twice, gone through this, and we got this little spring. And it's correct when you can pull on this, and the spring works like that. Then we're going to go right up to your take-up lever, which is this chrome piece you see sticking out here. It has that big hole. And thread that right through there like so. So when you're done, it should look like this. From there, we're just going to follow these thread guides all the way down to the needle. I want to show you about this needle. It's a round-shaped needle. You could put it in different ways. This is called a scarf. That's indentation. This side has a long groove. You're going to want this long groove to the left. You're going to want this scarf to the right, facing in the machine. So when you put this needle in, it's very important to push it all the way up. Take your fingers, and it looks like this. The long groove is this way. The scarf is to the right. And tighten your needle. Okay, so we've gone through the rotary tension with the 2 wraps, through our check spring to the take-up lever. Just follow these guides right down. Make sure you don't miss the one on the needle bar. Then, very important, left to right. So you're going to thread this thread in the eye and come out on this side. And that's our needle threading. Cut. Okay, so we're going to put a bobbin in. First thing we're going to do is turn the machine towards us till this needle bar descends to its lowest point. Then we're going to come underneath here, and we're going to look at this little latch right here, and this pops out. It's right here. Bing. Cut. So we're going to take our bobbin with the thread going this direction, slide it into here, keep your finger on that, make sure you get in that slot, and it comes through the spring right there. Done. So we've got the bobbin in there, ready to go. We're going to now lift the foot here. The needle is threaded. We're going to hold on to this lightly, don't keep it tight, and turn this towards you. And you'll feel it grab the thread. And what you're going to do then is pull that and bring your bobbin thread up like so and pull it out back here. Cut. So you got your bobbin thread here. Now one last thing we want to do is let's thread this needle thread through the hole of the foot and pull that back here. So you got both your threads. Now with both of them like that, we'll be able to place a piece of leather under here. Drop the foot, turn our machine on, and I like to hold these back here and make sure that we make that first stitch. We don't hear any crunching and noise, and it looks like we're ready to sew.